Hi, I'm Dustin with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Prescott. If you feel like your showers and faucets are dripping water, you're probably having an issue with low water pressure. A sudden drop is a cause for concern, like in the case of a leak or burst pipe. You'll want to get help immediately. If you don't notice a sudden drop in pressure but it's gradual, you could be experiencing mineral buildup or a clog in your pipes. Other reasons are due to local municipal water issues. When you need help pinpointing your problem with low water pressure, call the experts from Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Prescott.